The most alarming thing to me about the state of our current social discourse is the number of people who have become relentless and proud bullies. Many of them publicly and viciously tear down others on social media using ad hominem attacks, calling those they disagree with names like stupid, or making fun of their appearance, or even mocking the way they speak. Now, disagreeing with an idea is a very democratic thing, and sharing your criticism of that idea can be interesting and helpful. But attacking a person for having an idea, that's bullying. But here's the real problem. When we call someone out for doing this, how do they respond? Well, many of them will passionately defend their actions, saying their ad hominem attacks are justified because the person they disagree with is also a bully. Is that how that works? So it's okay to be a bully if the other person is a bully first? I don't think so. Now, this worries me because many of these adults turn around and tell children that it's never okay to bully, ever. But children bear witness to this hypocrisy because it's posted all over the internet, and it's teaching them that ad hominem attacks are okay as long as you disagree with someone's ideas. We have to be better than this.